Hello and welcome back YouTube to my quick tutorial. So in today's video we'll be talking about how to get into private Instagram profiles, any profile for that matter. So I'm just going to open up this profile of a girl. She isn't accepting me, so I'm gonna goon view her. So all I need to do is get the username at the top, Amanda Iverson, go to this amazing website that I followed, goonview.com. You can check it out. You can get the link to the app at the top or here at the bottom. And all I need to do is just click on the Instagram viewer and you'll be presented with this private viewer app. Next, enter private profile username. So let me quickly write it in, Amanda at Iverson. One, two, two. Let me just confirm that is the correct. Yep. Next, you need to do is click connect, and it's searching for the profile. Confirm that that's the profile, and just wait for the unlocking progress to finish. And bam! As you can see, the profile has been unlocked. You can download any photo that you want. As you can see, download image if you want. You can cancel that. You can download this image. And if you want to use the app, just go to GoonView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.